So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another amazing lab, that is getting started with Google search as a tool. So first of all, click on start lab and open the console incognito window. Now if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now here just click on I understand and here click on agree and continue. Now basically we have to open the Vertex AI. So just from the navigation menu, select here and just click on workbench. So now the workbench will open, where we will be opening the Jupyter notebook where we have to execute the task. So finally after a few seconds the Jupyter notebook is now ready. Now here you have to click on this file. Now for the kernel it should be Python 3 and wait for the kernel to get idle. So find the kernel, you have to just select like I have done. Now here what you need to do, set the project ID and region. So as you can see, here is the project ID, we have to replace it. So project ID you can just copy from here, replace the content like this and just update the region. Basically the location is only the region, so just update it. And as you can see, the kernel status is now idle. Now first of all we have to install this. Wait a minute, let me show you what we have to install. If you want you can run this also by clicking on this play button. We are running the shells. So first of all let's install the Google GenAI SDK. After that we have to just restart the kernel. So as you can see, we need to restart the kernel. Just click on this play button and a pop-up will come that kernel has died and restarting. So just click on OK. Now what you have to do, you have to just go to this next shell. Let me show you how we'll proceed. First of all, if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you want to explore more shells, more skill badges, check the description. Now just click on run selected all cells and below and wait for this kernel to go idle. Once it gets idle, we'll move forward to the next steps of the lab. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes or until the kernel goes idle. How will find the kernel goes idle? The shell will show empty circle like this. As you can see, now the kernel is now idle. So finally our kernel is idle status. As you can see, all tasks have been executed. Now if you want to hit check my progress, you will definitely get the score. No need to worry about it. And if you face any error, we'll debug it together. No need to worry about it. Just follow the way I'm doing and you will definitely get full score on this lab. If you're following this channel, you are knowing this. So first of all, we have to here create the data store. So how we will create the data store? Copy the name AI application, go to the cloud console and just click on the first link. You don't have to click on the second one, you have to just click on the first one, AI application. Click on it. Here just click on I agree and just agree and continue. Now wait for a few seconds. It has been ready. Now here just click on the data store and we'll be creating one data store. So for that just click on create data store and from here we have to select the source as cloud storage and just update this bucket folder value basically. So from here, as you can see here, you have to select what cloud storage and data stores. So as you can see, here are the multiple things, but from here just select the cloud storage and it will import data from cloud storage unstructured. So here there are multiple options to select like structured data, efficient structured data and many more, but here we have to just select this. So first of all, let's upload the folder file URL. You must have copied. If you haven't, just copy it like this. And the unstructured one was already selected by default, so no need to change it. So here what we have to select, the location is global. We have to just copy the data store ID. So you can use any name for the data store because the name is not visible. So as you can see below, there is the ID that just copy it carefully because it will be required for the next steps of this lab. So just copy it carefully and just wait. Now once you have done, you have to just click on create, and it will take some time to create. And let's check my progress. So as you can see, it's taking time, so just wait for a few more seconds. So finally it's now ready. Now we have to just try to hit check my progress, and we got the score. Now we have to just create an application. So in the same page, just click on apps, and here we have to just create a new app, that is a web app. So here there are multiple apps, but we have to create a site web app. So if you are unable to find this, how you can find this, let me show you. You have to just click on the search site with AI mode. So let me show you where it is. It's not there, but no need to worry about it. If you want, you can just do one thing. Just click on this search site with AI mode. Just click on it and click on create button. Now here just turn off this and make sure the enterprise edition feature is turned on. So for app name, again you can use any name, but I will recommend just the username because I'm using the lab. Because if you may face issue, now you have to copy the second ID, that is app ID, which may be used later on. Let's see which one we have to use. Can you guess which one we have to use? Either one, app ID or data store, which one we have to use? Comment down below. And let's set the company name. For the company name, you can write any company. For me, I'm writing Google Cloud, and just click on continue. Now from here, just select the data store and click on create. Now it will take some more time, so wait for it. Now just click on create. Now as you can see, it's taking time. As it shows, you will need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes for the app to get ready. So just wait. Meanwhile, let's try to hit check my progress for the remaining task. So we got the score in this task. Now for the next task. So we got the score for task number 6 also. For 7, let's see whether we get score or not. So no, 7 task did not get any score. So go back to here and let's see if we get any error on the Jupyter notebook. So yes, here we have got one error. So what we need to do here, we have to just update something. Let me see what we have to update. Let's try to rerun again, and it's not running properly. So what is the error? So let me show you. Yes, I found it. What is the error? Let me show you. Here basically we have to update one thing, that is search app ID. So here we have to update the search app ID. So this is the second one, not the data store ID. We have to update the search app ID. So if you have gave right answer before, just comment that you have got correct answer so that I can know. And here we are. Let's rerun again. So here we did not get any error. Let's try to it. Yes, again we are getting this kind of error. So what we have to do, we have to, I think, just rerun the entire shell. Here what you need to do, you have to just come back to the grounded chat response. So just select this cell. As you can see, this is the task we have to execute. Just run it one by one, and after that, whichever shell gives a error, just try to debug yourself and complete it. Just rerun that shell and you'll definitely get the score, because this is the tested method I have practically used. And as you can see, we got the score without any issue. And that's the way we have to complete this lab. Thank you guys, have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel for more such amazing videos. And sorry for the voice because I am suffering for currently fever. So once I am back, you will be able to enjoy.